Hello viewers, your mobile heats up or you feel your mobile heat in pocket, so let's fix it in 4 steps. First, click on Play Store and when it open, come up and click on your picture. After that, scroll down to Settings and in Settings, just open the Network Preferences. Open it and now three options are in front of you. So first one, open app, download preference, and better you tick mark ask me every time, click OK. Now next go to auto update apps. Open this and better you select the last option, but you can also update over Wi-Fi only, or better I suggest don't auto update apps. Back now, and now auto play videos. Tick mark and don't auto play videos. Click OK. Now we will proceed to step 2. And now let's go open any app or long click, and if it's unnecessary, uninstall it. But remember, some apps doesn't have uninstall options, you will shortly see. Or long click on the app and click this question mark or I like sign for stop removal of permission of app, uninstall, and there are much more options available. Now in case if I long click on this icon or app, so let me go to click this I sign because there is no uninstall option and it's not in my use right now. Click three dots. Uninstall updates are available, but there is no option of uninstall. So click force stop or you can disable it also. Now proceed to part 3. So drop down your mobile menu and if unnecessary apps are running like link to window is not in my use currently, Wi-Fi is available, so let me off data, off location as well as Bluetooth. So off unnecessary running apps. Last step 4, click on Play Store and then click on your picture. And now we will delete the already deleted items. So come down and select Manage App and Device. Now click on Manage and now click on this device. And then two options will appear at the bottom. We will select the one at the bottom. Not installed means these apps were deleted in the past and these are some files of the remaining apps. In case if something important, so uncheck that, and if some important app accidentally deleted, so you can once again download and install that. Now click delete, then remove. You can see 132 apps already deleted has been removed from mobile memory. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching.